Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain VS Code Spotify extensions. We'll explore how these tools seamlessly integrate your music experience directly into your coding environment. Imagine controlling your Spotify playback, browsing playlists, and even discovering new music without ever switching applications. This integration aims to streamline your workflow, keeping you focused and productive while enjoying your favorite tunes. These extensions offer a range of powerful features designed to enhance your coding experience. You can effortlessly control playback, pausing, or skipping tracks with just a few clicks. See the current song's title and artist, along with album art, right in your editor. Plus, you can browse your playlists and even search for new music, all without ever leaving your development environment. Many extensions also allow for custom keyboard shortcuts. Several excellent Spotify extensions are available for VS Code, each with its own strengths. For example, the Spotify extension by Shaiko. Dev is a popular choice, offering a comprehensive set of features. If you prefer a more streamlined experience, Spotify Lite provides essential controls without extra clutter. Another strong contender is Spotify Control, known for its robust playback and playlist management capabilities. Choosing the best one depends on your specific needs. Getting started is straightforward. First, open the extensions marketplace within VS Code and search for Spotify. Once you've chosen an extension, click Install. After installation, you'll typically need to authenticate with your Spotify account to grant the extension access. Remember to explore the extension settings for various customization options, including keyboard shortcuts. Sometimes, restarting VS Code after installation ensures all features are fully enabled and working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.